They say love is blind, but two blind farm animals at a sanctuary near Edmonton have forged a strong friendship. Taylor Osina, CTV News Edmonton reports.
Hi, Graham and Lindsay. While the animals may not be able to see what's around them, it's certainly not slowing them down. Daisy the goat hasn't had the easiest start in life. Shortly after being born on a slaughter farm, this little kid was viciously attacked by birds.
Shortly after she was born, she had a run-in with some crows, and they managed to take her eyes and most of her tongue.
The attack left her blind. Her owners bringing her here to this farm animal sanctuary just east of Wetaskiwin. Staff say she arrived last week, traumatized and covered in lice.
She was always trying to comfort herself, kind of wrap herself up into like a little snuggly blanket.
That's when Daisy met this little lamb, Merlin. Merlin has been here for just over a month. Until now, interacting with other animals has been challenging because he too is blind.
To get him hooked up with somebody that can, be at his level and show him around.
Caretaker Melissa Foley says Merlin and Daisy are a match made in farm animal heaven.
It works perfectly because they're kind of both slow as you go and just want to hang out.
Even visitors at this sanctuary notice a connection between the two.
And I don't think we think of animals like these guys that need help too. So I think that's really important that they're doing this.
While Merlin and Daisy are still getting used to each other, they also share their new home with other troubled animals.
It's something that's really close to my heart, and I love coming out here and seeing the animals.
Foley believes that it's fate that brought these two together.
Being attacked by those crows when she was younger essentially did save her life because she's here with us now.
And here she'll stay, heal, and foster new friendships. And while the animals create extra work for the staff, they say it's worth it.